Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jesse with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? Are you guys liking the series so far? How's it going? This one is inspired by a set of water decals. They kind of flashed through my feed on Facebook. You know, I shop on AliExpress, so I have like AliExpress ads that come up and I see it and I go, oh, I love that. So I took a screenshot. I will insert that. And the one in that little series there, the two of them caught my eye the most, so I'm going to recreate them both. But this video is the woman with like the white eyeballs. And I'm going to title this one Evil Priestess. I do not have those decals. I am going to attempt to hand paint it. So, without further ado, let's get into day number 7. Number 7 of 30 days of NAIL-O-WEEN. Alright, bunny hands. Okay, so for this one, this is very simple for materials. And again, everything I'm using will be listed in the description box below. I'm going to try and cover up my other ones because I draw things out. So I kind of pre-drew her here. So I'm going to kind of use this as my reference. It might not be exact, but hey. So again, I have IBD Gel 020 as my base coat. I will be probably starting out with the same base for all of these because these are they're pre-used. I used them before, as I mentioned in another video. They are old swatch sticks, so I'm just repurposing them. So, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lightly buff my surface. I've done 2 coats of the white. And I'm going to lightly buff it. I won't pierce through any color, but I want to be able to get my pencil marks on there. So I will be using black and white. I'm going to keep it black and white like the photo. And I'm going to use a pencil. The thing with lead. Yes. And I'll also be using my 7mm detailer brush, also known as Sheila. Alright, so let's bring you guys a little more here. And go this way. Alright, so I'm gonna sort of just map out her face a little bit. Very lightly. She's very dark and luminous. Just want to make sure, hopefully I capture the craziness in her eyes. So I'm just going to kind of block that out like that. Just kind of a nose, eyes and nose reference here. And I'm going to open up my black again. And I guess we're just going to go from there. And I will just music over this part. Alright, so I just added a matte top coat, and there she is, all finished up. I really like the way this recreation turned out. Looks so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay jazzy.